Hello friends, welcome to Club Crafteria. If you are new to this channel, subscribe my channel by clicking the subscribe and bell button to get more videos. In this video, we are going to see how to count the number of rows when we have worked half double crochet in the back loops. So when we work half double crochet in the back loop, it looks like this. This is what we say it as the rib stitch when we work half double crochet in the back loops. So now let's see how to count the rows. So if you see here, this plain half double is the first row. You can see a rib like structure here. This will be the second. Next, plain half double crochet third row. Next, a rib like structure, it will be the fourth row. Fifth, sixth, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So totally in this piece you have 15 rows. One more time I will be telling how to count the rows. That is, first we will count the half double crochet here. This is the first row. Next, which is the rib like shape here. This is the second row. Next, half double crochet. This like plain half double crochet will be the third. Next, rib like structure will be the fourth. Next, plain will be the 5. Next, rib like structure will be 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So when you turn your work in this other side, how we will count is, first will be the rib like structure. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So I think now you will be clear how to count the rows when we have worked half double crochet in the back loop. So if you like this video, like, share, comment this video and also subscribe to my channel by clicking the subscribe and bell button to get more videos. Thank you friends.